Memory chip makers fell up to 10% in one day. That same day, a data center landlord had its best week of the year. Same AI story, opposite outcomes. First, the big picture. The four main U.S. market measures barely moved. So this was not a bad day for stocks in general. It was a bad day for one specific group of companies. Here's the group that got hit. Micron and Western Digital make memory chips. Those are the parts that store data inside AI servers. Coherent and Lumentum make the optical parts that move that data around. All four fell 6 to 10% in a single day. For companies this size, a 2% day is a big move. This was 3 times bigger. So what happened? A Korean supplier said memory chips are selling for less money than expected. Not fewer chips, cheaper chips. When the price of the thing you sell drops, your profit drops with it, even if you sell just as many. That is what the market reacted to. Now the other side of the same story. Digital Realty owns data centers, the buildings full of servers that AI actually runs on, and rents them out. It reported profits above what analysts expected, and raised its own forecast for the year. The shares finished the week up almost 15%. Put those two together and you get the lesson of the day. The company's selling parts are being squeezed on price. The company renting out the buildings is raising its forecast. My read, and this is my inference, not a fact. Right now the market would rather own the landlord than the supplier. Our scorecard, and here is exactly what we said. 1. We said oil would fade back below $100 a barrel instead of spiking on Middle East headlines. It faded, down 2.5%. 2. We said the chip index had to hold 570 for its recovery to stay alive. It broke below. Both calls landed the way we called them. One name we are watching, and only one, because only one cleared our bar today. Digital Realty, because it publicly raised its own profit forecast. That is a fact we can check, not a guess. What would prove us wrong? If it walks that forecast back next quarter. We are not telling you to buy anything. We are telling you what we watch and exactly why. That is Friday. Every morning we explain the market in plain English, and every call we make gets graded the next day, hit or miss. Subscribe if that is the kind of honesty you want in your feed. Educational content only, not financial advice. See you tomorrow.